Those who have attended these meetings include the Commander of the Army, Commander of the Kenya Air Force, the Commandant of the National Defense College, the Director General National Intelligence Service, and the Director of the CID. Out of these meetings, the following developments have followed. 1. A training of members of the Kenya Defense Force on crowd control currently going on at Embakasi Military Barracks. 2. Training by the military for administration police officers, county commanders, and regional coordinators for the unspecified roles. 3. Recruitment of 120 military officers from each barrack and a unit for unspecified special operations. We have every semblance with what was done at the same venue in the lead-up to the 2007 general elections, in which APs were later dispersed as election officials and poll agents for the Party of National Unity. We are also in possession of information that further to the above activities, several military officers are currently being hosted in Kakamega at the former provincial premises. We have information that these military officers are being prepared so as to be recruited by the IEBC as polling officials in the ongoing recruitment process. We are inclined to believe that the above activities are meant to subvert the will of the people in the upcoming elections. We are challenging the national government and the leadership of the security organs in the country to explain to Kenyans why a select group of military officers would be involved in training civilians like county commanders and regional coordinators. We also want to appeal to our military to remain faithful to the traditions of this country and their call of duty, and refuse to be dragged into politics, and instead focus on keeping our country safe. That has been our proud tradition as a country. This generation must keep it going. End of statement.
That is a statement made a few minutes ago by NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga, accusing Jubilee of working with the National Intelligence Service and planning to rig the August 8th general election. Just 48 days to the election, he says currently they are privy to information that there's a meeting in Kakamega where military officers are being hosted to train a number of regional officers on how